Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to find HR of any company on LinkedIn. So let's get started. First, open your browser and search for linkedin.com. Log in, and once you are in, go to the top right side and you will see a search bar. Now enter your company's name here and click on the company's official page or profile. Once you are on the page, you will see the People's tab. Click on that. This will show all employees linked to that company. Now, in the search bar here, type or look for HR related titles. For example, HR manager, and then click on enter. Once you find someone, review their profile, then connect or message them with a short personalized note explaining why you are reaching out. And that's it, you have just learned how to find and connect with HR on LinkedIn. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.